If you file for divorce, do you have to serve your spouse with papers? Your spouse must be served with a summons and a divorce complaint or petition before the case can proceed. In my jurisdiction, as I believe it to be the case in all jurisdictions, and my jurisdiction is Utah, you'll need to review the law regarding who can serve the summons and divorce complaint or petition to be sure. But you cannot serve in Utah your spouse yourself with the summons and complaint. Somebody else has to do it. A non-party to the case is required to serve the summons and complaint or petition. Anytime any lawsuit is filed against a defendant or a respondent, the defendant or respondent must be served with legal process first to ensure due process of law from the beginning. What does served with legal process mean? Black's Law Dictionary defines it this way, quote, "the formal delivery of a writ, summons, or other legal process, pleading or notice to a litigant or other party interested in the litigation. The legal communication of a judicial process," close quote. Another definition, quote, "a summons or writ especially to appear or respond in court, also termed judicial process or legal process," close quote. Black's Law Dictionary also helps explain the meaning of service of process, quote, "process is so denominated because it proceeds or issues forth in order to bring the defendant into court, to answer the charge preferred against him, and signifies the writs or judicial means by which he is brought to answer," close quote. Being served with process is essential to due process of law. What does due process mean? Black's Law Dictionary defines it this way, quote, "due process is the conduct of legal proceedings according to established rules and principles for the protection and enforcement of private rights, including notice and the right to a fair hearing before a tribunal with the power to decide the case," close quote.